Alright, so what's good, guys, man? I just woke up right now, man. Yes, y'all can see, man, my face looks so tired, so puffy right now. But look, man, all the kids, they sleep right now, and I'm ready to get them. They thought they'd get by this. I mean, they can't get by. You come here, you fools over here. You know what I'm saying? Got my little bro Quentin right here with me, you know what I'm saying? We chilling, both of us out, so we ready to get to this, man. Hey, what we gonna be doing? So, yeah, 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 yeah. Put it in the pot. Yeah. So today we gonna be doing, we're gonna be popping some firecrackers in a little pot jar. We got like 2 of these jars. Alright, so look, we're gonna use this jar right here. We can't be too loud. Cause then that junk sleeping, you know how it's gonna be. So this is what we're gonna be using right here. Put it in there. We're gonna light it up. We're gonna light it up. And once we do that, we're gonna be turned. So once I get this set up, we're gonna be back to y'all. What happened? Everybody good? Y'all woke now? You got y'all, didn't it? Yeah.
What you think it sound like, bro?
Hell going on? Shit. What you think it sound like? Got y'all, boys. Yeah. Got y'all boys down bad. Yeah. Got y'all boys down bad. Look at y'all. Look at y'all. Got them boys down bad, boy. Yeah. What y'all gonna do? Yeah. This how we start the day. Yeah, what? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? He ain't gonna do nothing to me cause we really do that. I'm trying to tell y'all. I told y'all, man. Y'all saw how they got scared and they got up like, hey. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this same energy, you know what I'm saying? But look, y'all know who I deal with? It was Quentin. Quentin did. Yeah. Stay asleep. Stay asleep. Stay asleep and see what happens. Yeah.
How's that fair? That was right near my face.
It was.
Yeah.
Damn. Now, how y'all feeling, man? Cause you know, I think we did that. What y'all think? I feel like we really did that. You know what I'm saying? The what? Look, y'all. We did that. Look, we got them boys down bad. They up. They up. They was running over there. Look at this, y'all. Man, this junk messed up. They got all over there. On the blankets. Man, we got that. Man, we got them, man. I ain't trying to know about it. Guys, all the way up here. Look, man.
Hey.
Me and Queen got it, you know what I'm saying? We turned.
Scared.
Them boys are scared for real, man. They ain't, you know what I'm saying? They young. They thought they was some gunshots, you know what I'm saying? Like, But yeah, man, y'all already know, man. We gonna be back with more bangers. Y'all already know. Tune in to the channel. Like, subscribe, comment, all that. We love y'all. Go!